Welcome back to our YouTube channel. On today's video, we'll be continuing our tour around Hampshire and showing you another great camping location. Plus, at the end of the video, we have a special offer for you. So let's find out where we are this time. We're in the heart of the New Forest as we leave the previous stopover in Burley at the cider farm, and that particular video, it's on our channel right now. Just a short drive from Burley along the beautiful roads of the New Forest, we find our next location. It's perfect for being back to nature with deer and New Forest ponies and all sorts of wildlife. Dogs are allowed on the campsite but must be kept on a lead. Your first port of call as you drive in is the reception, where the amazing staff are only too happy to help and suggest the perfect camping spot for you. Margarita on reception, well, she was just so helpful. Before you decide though on a camping spot, I suggest having a good look round. So let's do that right now. As you can see, slightly speeded up. I don't think Jasmine, our beautiful working Cocker Spaniel, can run that fast. We decided to go for one of the spots that gave us more sunlight because we're off grid and need the light for the solar panels. They have many different types of pitches, some with electric, but at this site they don't have toilets or showers, but they have lots of water and emptying service points all dotted around.
Well, this is a perfect setting, isn't it? It's in the New Forest. It's Setthorns Forestry Commission campsite, and isn't it absolutely beautiful? There's a cycle track literally just over there that we can see. There's plenty of areas for filling up with water, doing the toilet, emptying your waste. And it's beginning of July and it's lovely and quiet down here. It's Wednesday. Hey Jasmine, what do you think of it? Yeah, got an itch, I know.
It's okay, it's good. I can get my oil.
As you can see, Jasmine is having a wonderful time. You will find so many tracks as mentioned. The site is next to a cycle track, but we take the track that takes you to the nearest village of Sway, where you will find a few shops, a pub, a cafe and a butcher's, and as well as that, a very, very handy railway station. Just on the outskirts of Sway, you will find Sway Tower, also known as Peterson Tower, built in the 1880s. The tower is 66 meters high, and remarkably, there's not a single piece of iron reinforcement in the entire structure. In 1973, Paul and Julie Adlers purchased the derelict tower, which by then was overrun by pigeons. They cleaned out nearly 18 tons of pigeon droppings. As you can see, the tower stands proud, looking towards the Solent and the Isle of Wight. We now take this beautiful forest track to this nearby beauty spot where you will usually see forest ponies cooling down, but today Jasmine was just loving the stream. On the way back, we bumped into the site manager who was walking his working Cocker Spaniel. Jasmine, though, she was just so excited. As you can see, you're never too far from a service point, and we just used our hose pipe to fill up with water. With the old railway line now a fantastic track for cycling, walking and horse riding that can take you to Brockenhurst or Burley in the other direction. With deer and all sorts of wildlife, including lots of squirrels, but make sure you don't leave many doors open because they can cause all sorts of damage given the chance. Remember, we're sharing this beautiful location with nature. For more information about Setthorns New Forest camping, please see the website, and of course the link is under the video together with the grid references. Stay tuned though for the exclusive special offer, and don't forget to give it a like and a subscribe. But until next time, thanks for watching. From Teresa, Jasmine and myself, Stu Bear, it's bye for now.
Hi, it's Stu Bear from the Travelling Bear YouTube channel, and as a big thanks for everybody watching the videos and subscribing, we've got a great offer for you. It's from the Kent and Sussex Tea and Coffee Company, and for all you great viewers, you can get 15% off every single order. All you need to do is just at the checkout use the code, and that code is CAMPING, CAMPING. It's all uppercase, and the link is underneath the video right now. So enjoy the tea and keep on enjoying watching Travelling Bear with Stu Bear. Welcome along to our brand new YouTube channel, The Travelling Bear with Stu Bear. We'll be taking you to some amazing locations while we travel around. We have scenic videos with relaxing music, cycling adventures, camping locations, and some great documentaries, plus lots more. So join us on the Travelling Bear with Stu Bear YouTube channel and subscribe for free right now.